Namaskar students. Today I am here with you all with the chapter of the cost. Well, I was planning which concept should I select for you all so that you can learn easily. Anyhow, today I have planned something new for you all, that is relationship between marginal cost. Here I have written the MC, that stands for what? Marginal cost, and AC, but AC doesn't mean air conditioner. AC here actually means average cost. So today I am going to teach you the relation between marginal cost and average cost. You can see here I have drawn the curve OX axis. What are you going to measure here? You are going to measure here the quantity in units. On the vertical axis, that is OY, you are going to measure the cost in rupees. Next, the question is how you are going to learn it. But my idea, my suggestion is never to learn, never to mug up. Get the concept more simple in economics so that you become genius. And today I am assuring you, automatically you are going to become genius. And how you are going to write the relationship. See, here at the beginning I am drawing a curve. This is, what is the shape? U. And right here AC means average cost. This is the shape of what? Average cost. At the middle, just draw a small dot you can put here, and from this dot you take another U-shaped curve and write there MC, marginal cost. Before going through the entire relationship, I am just going to teach you in my fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guarantee hai. Within few seconds you will learn all the 5 relationships. Number 1 देखो. This is my left hand. This is my right hand. Don't worry. ठीक है? See, here average cost is falling down. Here marginal cost is also falling down. Average cost नीचे गिर रहा है, marginal cost भी नीचे गिर रहा है. Here this is my left hand, this is my right hand. On the right hand, average cost. On the left hand, marginal cost. See, when average cost falls, marginal cost also falls. But see the condition, marginal cost falls more than average cost. First one is saying what? Marginal cost falls more than average cost. That is the number 1. Second, after this you see, when average cost is rising, ऊपर जा रहा है, it is called increasing. Marginal cost is also rising. ये भी तो ऊपर बढ़ रहा है. When average cost increases, then marginal cost also increases. But marginal cost will increase more than average cost. That is the relation number 2. Third, if I ask you what is the shape of average cost, what is the shape of marginal cost, I think you can see very easily. Both are U-shaped curve. That is the relation number what? 3rd. What is the relation number 3rd? Both marginal cost and average cost are U-shaped curve. 4th one. This is the lowest point of average cost. एकदम set कर लीजिए दिमाग के अंदर. This is the what point? Lowest point of average cost. So marginal cost, what is it doing? Marginal cost cut the average cost at its lowest point. That is the number 4. 5th one, when average cost is stable. Stable मतलब क्या होता है? Suppose 4 है तो 4 ही रह गया, 5 है तो 5 ही रह गया. इसका मतलब क्या? Both are stable. ठीक है? So when average cost is stable, then at that point both marginal cost is equals to what? Average cost. Again I'm repeating the 5th one. When average cost is stable, then marginal cost is equals to what? Is equals to average cost. Now I am going to show you with this entire concept, okay, whatever I taught you with the help of the what? Digital system. Now you can see the relationship, okay, again between what? Between the marginal cost and average cost. See, I have drawn the diagram. You can see the same diagram, okay, and you can find here in both the diagram the shape is U-shaped curve. Okay, now just see the relationship in detail. Number 1 point you can see, when marginal cost falls, then average cost also falls. But marginal cost falls more than average cost. That's the relation number 1. Second, when marginal cost rises, then average cost also rises. But marginal cost rises more than average cost. Third, you can see both marginal cost and average cost of what shape curve? You can see U-shaped curve. Fourth one, when marginal cost, you can see fourth one, rather I would like to say marginal cost cuts the average cost at lowest point. And last one, you can see there, that is when average cost is stable. Then what happened? Then at that moment you can see average cost is equals to what? Equals to marginal cost. So that's the relation between the what? Between the marginal cost and the average cost. Hope your concept is clear. Thanks to all of you for watching it.